Hare Krishna. Welcome to a Monday reading verses from Bhagavad Gita. I hope I'm very thankful to all of you for supporting my channel, and I was very happy to see all the likes and the comments from you. Today, I am going to present to you life-changing verses from Bhagavad Gita. See, all the verses are exceptionally beautiful, I understand, but these three verses Krishna talks to Arjuna are very, 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 very important and plays a very practical thing in our life. I will give you as we do daily, we read the verse and the word by word meaning, translation, everything today. Okay, let me start with a small Mangalachara. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Chakshushummilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gunave Namaha. Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Stapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamahyam Dadati Swapadantikam Vandeham Shri Gurum Shri Uttapadakamalam Shri Gurum Vaishnavamscha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Dalita Shri Visakanitamscha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dina Bandho Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Krishapanu Sute Devi Pranamami Haripriya Vanchakalpataruptasya Kripa Sindhu Bhayevacha Patidanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namah Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivashadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Mukam Karoti Vachalam Pangum Langayate Girim Yatkripatam Mahamande Paramananda Madhavam Shri Gurum Dinataranam Shri Chaitanya Ishwaram Nama Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Preshtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swaminithi Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Sharyadeshatarini. Hare Krishna. So these three verses basically, we nowadays you can see people, it's very common, people getting depressed, dejected and everything, right? So I thought I will just pick the verse from second chapter, 40th verse. Okay, let me read the verse to you. Neha bikramana shosti pratyavayo na vidyate shvalpam api asya dharmasya trayate mahato bhayat. I repeat. Neha bikramana shosti pratyavayo na vidyate Shvalpam api asya dharmasya trayate mahato bhayat. Let's see the word by word meaning. Abhikrama in enduring. Nashaha loss. Asti there is. Pratyavayaha diminution. Na never. Vidyate there is. Swalpam little. Api although. Asya of this. Dharmasya occupation. Trayate releases, Mahata from the great, Bhayat danger. Okay, so there is a verse. So, and what is the translation here? In this endeavor, there is no loss or diminution, and a little advancement on this path protects one from the most dangerous type of fear. That is what Krishna has given the translation here. So, what here Krishna is talking about means in this endeavor, what he says, when he progresses in the path of devotional service or towards Krishna or in the path of Krishna, and when we do activities, when we perform activities for his pleasure, all that is not wasted. It never goes zero. Okay, even if we die and we continue from where we left the next birth into that spiritual life, so there is no, so whatever we gain, we perform, it goes into a permanent account. So there is no fear of anything, losing anything. There is no fear of death. So Krishna guarantees that. So there is no even a minute loss in this path. Correct? So let's see. Even a small, beginning, small activity done. That's what he's saying. Hope you got it. Let's move on to the next verse. 9th chapter, 22nd verse. That's again a very hope-giving verse. So what is the verse? Ananyas chintayanto mam ye jana paryupashate tesha nityabhiyuktanam yogashemam vahamyaham. I repeat. Ananyas chintayanto mam ye jana paryupashate तेषां नित्याभियुक्तानां योगक्षेमं वहाम्यहम्. So what's the word by word meaning? Ananya, having no other object. Chintayantah, concentrating. Mam, on me. Janaha, persons. Paryupashate, properly worship. Tesham, of them. Nitya, always. Abhiyuktanam, fixed in devotion. Yoga, requirements. Shemam, protection. Vahami, carry. Aham, I. So what's the translation given here? But those who always worship me with exclusive devotion, meditating on my transcendental form, to them I carry what they lack and preserve what they have. So that word's to be underlined. To whom? To them I carry what they lack and I preserve what they have. Correct? So what is Krishna explaining in this verse is that these are all directly given by Krishna. So I am just passing it on to you. So like who's always, the devotees, especially devotees who always think about Krishna 24 hours a day, or always engaged in chanting, hearing, remembering, praying, worshipping, serving the lotus feet of Krishna, cultivating friendship with him, surrendering to all of them. Krishna says, I carry what they lack and preserve what they have and provide whatever necessary for their advancement in their life. Such a devotee, he says, can never undergo any difficulties in the professional life or marriage life. He provides everything, all happy things. So but the only thing what Krishna says is should be unalloyed devotees. For him, Krishna promises everything very beautifully. Correct? Without any difficulties. That's what Krishna promises. Let's move on to the next verse. 31st verse from the same chapter. Let's see this. Shipram bhavati dharmatma shashvat shantim nigacchati kaunteya pratijanihi name bhakta pranashyati. I repeat. Shipram bhavati dharmatma shashvat shantim nigacchati kaunteya pratijanihi name bhakta pranashyati. So word by word meaning, Shipram, very soon. Bhavati, becomes. Dharma atma, righteous. Shashvat shantim, lasting peace. Nigacchati, attains. Kaunteya, son of Kunti. Pratijanihi, declare. Na, never. Bhaktaha, my devotee. Pranashyati, perishes. Okay, what he gives the meaning here? He quickly becomes righteous and attains lasting peace. O son of Kunti, declare it boldly that my devotee never perishes. So that is the word to be underlined here. Krishna says that there is a lasting peace for his devotees. Devotees never perishes. So he says to Arjuna, declare it boldly. To whom? To the whole world. Declare it that my devotees are always safe and nothing wrong happens even in case of any difficulties or problems. That Krishna holds us tightly. It protects from all his devotees from all the accidental fall downs. Correct? So the devotee also gains, will be free from all material contaminations. I hope today's 3 verses you loved, as I loved reciting them too. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Vancha kalpadrupasya kripa sindhu patitana pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namah. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.